What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today was hailing like crazy, but for some reason we got a patch of clear skies and it stopped. I was going through my morning routine, checking my emails, and then I saw one from Pick and Pull where they said they had a sale starting today and all of next week for engines and transmissions. Now, I don't really need any engines or transmission as of right now, but it's like one of those where you like take advantage of it. Long blocks complete, it's like $240, and transmissions are about 150, 100. It's like mid 150s, and I'm not looking for anything specific, but you know, if I come across one that I may want for a future build or just inventory, I'd rather snag it at these prices than full prices. Right now I'm on my way to the yard, but first I need to drop off this package to S1, and then I need to go grab some food, and then we'll see you guys in the yard. '94 Acura Integra, 276,000 miles. Surprisingly, smells really nice in here. But first row, OBD1, pretty clean. Cut all the belts, AC, all that stuff is gone. Damn. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I've been binge watching JUNKYARD's Honda Fit build with that little turbo setup he did. I don't know, I thought that build was pretty sick. Whew. Totaled. What is this? Oh, it's an Acura RSX. Full exhaust. It's got coilover system. Oof. Automatic. Nothing special. Before I move on though, I do want to take note of the wrap job on here. Somebody does not have a straight cut. Door doesn't open. It's under the molding. Bumper's not the greatest. Huh, they did take off the molding though. That's good. I wonder who did this wrap. These are some really ugly cuts right here. Might have been a DIYer at home or something, so I'm not really knocking it, but definitely do not have a steady hand, I'll tell you that. This is what we're getting more of right here. Some hybrid stuff. Fog lights gone. CB7. Ugh. Dirty. It's got some mud flaps on it. There are a couple of rows that are empty. We'll get to it. Fast and Furious vibes. This is a new row. Valve covers off. Another engine destroyed. Caesar was looking for a trunk to test fit his DB1 wings before he ships them out to a customer. Another Accord with the front lip that I'm rocking on my sedan. This one's manual transmission too. I remember my electron tech teacher from high school had one of these. I thought it was so funny. What the heck is this? Suzuki? Sidekick? 95. That's probably why I didn't recognize it. Holy cow, this thing looks funny. The gradation looks like the Beagle seats or the JDM seats and the Civics and stuff overseas. That's nice. You know what? Kind of want to sit in this. This is narrow. I have my taco. I can see that 86 Civic hatchback SI that was in the yard for sale. Now it's to be pulled. Sheesh, another RSX. What's some funky taillights? Automatic. K20 oil pump conversion if you guys are looking for one. Base model RSX. Four empty rows. Damn, that's unfortunate. This was the SI, the 87, that was sitting up in the front, that was listed for sale. I believe 1700, 1800, right there on the windshield. Clean interior too. These are some of the cars they're going to be putting into the row. Manual trans, super clean interior. Godspeed monos. Camrys, holy Camry. What the hell is this? V6. Accords, Civic, Accords, IS. Forester. This is a new row. Got the orange line on the floor. Some angel eye headlights. More Honda Fits. Last three row. Haven't really seen anything good at all. This is also a new row. Row to RBs. I kind of need these tires. They are brand new. If there's another rim, I'd take it just for the tires. Dang it. The tire brand new is $100 shipped. And if I bought this tire and this wheel together, because you can't separate it, it's like $40 for the rim and then $22 for the tire. So still paying a little cheap. And all I gotta do is buy one more because I already have a pair of the hand cooks, but I'm still debating on it. Better yet, if I can even take off these lug nuts. I kind of want it. Not what I'm here for, but brand spanking new tires, same size, 15s. I mean, why not? What's the date on this? The rubber still feels rubbery, so that's a good sign. 2022. It's only 2 years. There's a gang of these PT Cruisers. And then you got this guy, destroyed. Sheesh. I actually just saw some wheels right now on this Stealth. Literally no sign of the other 3-wheel. The overcast is coming back. $30 for the tire, not too shabby. Super bent right here, and it is cracked right there, so not shabby. Now I did air this out, but I'm very surprised that it held air even with that giant crack. So right now, before I put it away, I'm gonna give it a good scrub. If you guys saw the other videos, I picked up 2 tires from the homie Nilo, and it was a set, but he sold 2 to a friend, 2 to me for $100, and now I have a 3rd. But I remembered I actually have a 4th in the storage on the Slipstream that is a single wheel, and that's also 205/50, I think. So if I'm in luck, I might just end up having 4, but 2 of it is actually in here because I was going to go mount them on these TR Motorsport wheels, but my alignment's tomorrow, so I'm probably gonna take this with me tomorrow. Quick little junkyard stroll today, guys. Wasn't really much there, a lot of empty rows, and wasn't really looking for anything specific, but if I did find a B-Series long block, I probably would have gotten it. There was only like 2 Integras in this yard, high miles, open valve cover, and if that one that was in the back of the yard in the previous junkyard video was still there, 140K LS engine, I probably would have pulled that long block. But I talked to the person on the counter. The sale's gonna go for another week long, and there are going to be a lot of new cars coming in, so maybe in a couple of days we'll go back to the junkyard, check out the inventory, see what it's looking like. Maybe if we find something worth buying, we'll scoop it up. This is not a percentage off sale the entire yard. This is just engine and transmissions only, and they do have weekly sales. Like each week they have something different, like body panels are $20 each, and then there's like radio speaker electronic sales, and then there's like tire wheel combo. I think they have a little calendar on their wall in the lobby that tells you what comes up the following week. So if you got a pick and pull local to you guys, go check it out, or even sign up for the toolkit member because it sends email directly to you, so you don't have to go to the yard to see what's coming up next for their weekly sales. I did score a hand cooked tire. Hopefully the 4th one is in the storage somewhere, and I need to go back over there to grab the other 2 TR wheels so we can get all 4 tires dismounted and remounted with the hand cooked setup, and we got our seatbelt installed into the car. So hopefully my buddy is available tomorrow. Hopefully the rain isn't too crazy because I still don't have wiper blades for the car, and I can drive this thing to the alignment shop tomorrow. Before I wrap up this video though, you guys saw I went to the PO box. I did have a package in there, and it's a big one. This thing is a little heavy, and I will say this came from Calgary, Canada. Shout out to Nicholas Moland MOULAND. This package right here is obviously, you know, crossing state lines, and the description right here says car parts. Bubble wrap, bubble wrap. All right, we got a Ziploc bag that has a letter in it. The rain's coming down right now, guys. I hope you can hear me, but the letter says, "Hey Dana, just want to start by saying great videos. How you explain things and how you show what you are doing is well explained and not complicated. I have been looking for a bit at my 2 pick and pulls in my area, and the only thing left was a picked clean 1990 Honda Civic SI hatchback. Not sure if anything would be useful to you or someone you know. Items in the box consist of door handle, passenger and driver, rear view mirror, might need that, corner lens, driver's side, center console armrest, seat belts, front, passenger, rear, and middle. Actually, one of my buddies need that, the rear seat belts. Driver's side front seat belt was coming apart at the seam, so I didn't think it was worth grabbing. Keep up the good work, and I'll keep watching here in Alberta, Canada. Peace." I appreciate you, Nicholas. Thank you for taking the time to send out this package. Let's go ahead and show you guys what's inside. Driver, passenger side, door handle, and I'm actually pretty surprised that these are red because normally they aren't painted. These door handles do look factory red, SH3, and normally the EF Sedan LX models come with painted door handles, but this is a hatchback SH3, and this might be a Canadian model, so thank you for this, man. I appreciate it. Rear view mirror, I need this. Thank you for that. Driver's side corner lens. I don't want to open it, but I can see it right there. Driver's side corner lens. It looks to be intact, and I might even have a passenger side. I'm gonna have to check my Instagram static service because I do have it on there for sale. Center console armrest. This is pretty much the top cushion lid for the armrest. Maybe one of you guys may need this. The rest of the stuff in this package is all of the seatbelt stuff, so I'm gonna have to see if any of my friends need this, my hatchback friends, and maybe I'll send them their way. But if any of you guys need it, man, leave a comment down below, because I appreciate Nicholas for taking the time to send this over. But I don't know if I can use any of the hatch stuff in any of my CRX or sedans. But if you guys have a hatchback and you guys need seatbelts, man, let me know. Anyways, guys, the rain's coming down pretty hard. I don't want to have to sit here and yell your guys' ears off, but I just want to say, if you guys enjoyed the junkyard video, be sure to leave a thumbs up. And if you guys want to stick around for regular shenanigans here in the driveway, hopefully we do alignment tomorrow, and then we can schedule our tune. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. But with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.